Truck, truck. So this is a little tobacco pouch, and I have tobacco in here because whenever we harvest, we always want to give something back as kind of a show of gratitude to the plants, and also because when you're accepting gifts from the land, you want to give a gift back. I think that as much time as I spend outside, it's so cool to just kind of take a magnifying glass to the landscape sometimes. My name is Mariah Gladstone, and I'm the founder of Indigikitchen, and we're here in Babb, Montana in the beautiful Blackfeet Nation. I'm Blackfeet on my father's side, but I'm enrolled Cherokee from my mother's side, and I work with Indigenous foods from all across the continent, but also foraged foods from right here on the Blackfeet Reservation. Indigikitchen is a combination of Indigenous, digital, and kitchen, and it was really started with a desire to reteach a lot of this traditional foods information that has been really intentionally taken from us through colonization. Now we're really in this resurgence where you can call it decolonization, but I think more broadly it's re-indigenization, right? We're reclaiming that, but we're bringing it forward. We're making it make sense today. The recipes that I dream up are things that draw on ingredients that we've had for thousands of years. They're plants, animals, mushrooms, things that we've had on the continent since time immemorial, essentially, but are also things that make sense in the modern kitchen. And so I created this Airbnb experience really to be able to let people try some of the different foods. So this is a spinach salad with the sabbath berries. This is a sweet potato pumpkin lentil soup. This entree is a wild rice pilaf and then some marinated lake trout. This is a dark chocolate pumpkin seed brownie. When we eat from the landscape, when we connect with our traditional foods, we're restoring cultural ties, we're restoring traditional land management, and it really has this multifaceted approach. But for non-Native people, there's also a much deeper connection that folks can recognize, learn about the lands that they're on, and then also kind of imbues them with this inherent sense of stewardship of those places as well. I think if folks recognized all of those things, they would really start to see that there's a lot of really beautiful places to explore and connect. You know, there's so much that connects landscape and people, and that's why I always use the term food systems, right? It's not just about here are the ingredients that showed up in my kitchen and it's what I'm gonna make for food. It's here's all of these systems of people and plants and animals and geology that forms our food systems, and they're all interconnected. And that's the things that I find super interesting and that just really bring me closer to the land and the community that I'm a part of.